Hi, I'm Heather DeHoyas, and I'm here in Expert Village to show you how to make a homecoming mum.
This is the type of mum we're going to be making. See? And here is a men's garter. Has one of these in the back of it. So on the wrist. I prefer them smaller, but you can make them big, but just not that big. Also, the men's, put them right here. For guys, prefer not to be so long. Gets on their nerves. But we're going to be making this